welcome back. It's Shelby, and today I am going to be doing kind of a new version of a video I did before. So the first video that I did on this was testing to see whether or not you could stretch leather pumps with a hairdryer. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it above. But yeah, it turns out it was a success. You know, spoiler alert, sorry. But a lot of your guys' comments was asking whether or not you could use a hairdryer to stretch different types of shoes, specifically suede or suede booties. And my answer was, I think so, but I didn't know for sure because I haven't done it. So today, that is what we are going to do. I have this pair of really cute little suede booties, and they actually fit okay. Like, my feet go in them okay, so definitely better fitting than my pumps were. But by the end of the day, right here just like really pinches like the sides of like my toes, not like my toes, but like a little bit further back. It's just like slightly too narrow. So I thought I would give it a try and find out for sure for you guys if the hairdryer trick works on suede booties. So that is what we are going to do today. Like I said, I will link the other video above and down in the description below. If you like this video, let me know by hitting that thumbs up. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and let's get going.
So these are the boots that I want to kind of stretch out a little bit, and they actually fit pretty well, like they go on and everything. But after a day of wearing them, this part right here just like feels a little tight and is uncomfortable. And it's not like too bad, especially just for like an hour or two. But I've worn them all day before and like my feet hurt, but they hurt enough that I don't necessarily reach for them in the closet. So basically I'm just going to be seeing if I can loosen them up a little bit. These boots are suede, they're not leather like my other shoes or pumps that I did this on. So yeah, basically I got a lot of questions in the comments for that video because I guess you guys liked it, which is awesome. Asking if you can do it on suede. And my response was basically that I don't know because I haven't done it, but probably because suede is a type of leather. So we're going to test it out today and find out for sure. And yeah, here we go. Let's see if we can stretch these out with a hairdryer. Same as before, we are starting with 3 pairs of socks prior to putting on the shoes. Okay, the boots are on with the 3 socks, and it was hard to get these on. These are tight, man. I don't even know if you can like really accurately see right here. It's kind of like bulging the material a little bit, but yeah, I'm not even going to bother tying them because they are snug with 3 tights on. So we're gonna get the hairdryer, which I have here, and my diffuser. So basically just clips on the end. You all know this, but it's going to kind of diffuse the heat and the air so that I'm not burning any part of the shoe. And yeah, gonna stand up and get these evenly heated, and then we'll let them cool down on my feet and see what we're left with. So last time I did this, it worked out really well, so I decided to use the exact same principles, which is to keep my hairdryer on low to medium heat the whole time, not high, not super blasting. Make sure that I am moving it constantly. Obviously this video is sped up. I'm not moving it this fast, but I am making sure just to constantly move the area of shoe that the hairdryer is blasting against. I'm flexing my shoes as I do it. I'm like pushing them like my toes into the ground, lifting the heel up so that they do have to stretch and can get a little bit better stretch in there, making sure to stand on them just so it's a more realistic way of where my foot would settle in the shoe rather than lying down. And then you can probably see I'm putting my hand down just to like make sure they don't get too hot as I'm going. And they really didn't like feel like they were heating up at all. I really just noticed that they were just getting slightly looser as I wore them and kind of wiggled my feet around in them. So definitely tried really hard not to burn the fabric. And that's basically how you do it. Okay, so I just finished with the blow dryer and they feel okay. I made sure that they didn't get too hot. I just kept it on low and medium and then like felt the tops of them just to make sure they weren't getting too hot as I was blow drying it, and then kept the blow dryer moving the whole time. So now I am going to stay in these in my socks until they cool off, like completely. So probably, I don't know, 5-10 minutes, maybe longer, we'll see. But yeah, basically just stay in them so that as they're cooling down, they're staying molded to the larger foot area. All right, they are cool, so I'm going to take them off, remove all but 1 sock, and try them on. Okay, 1 sock, and definitely looser, that's nice. But I don't know if that's just like from the 1 sock or, you know, going in from 3 socks. It does feel pretty good around my toes though. I did try them on again right before this video just to like see how it felt, that does feel better. They're not super loose the way my pumps were, but they're definitely, I was gonna say going on really easy and then that one gave me trouble. But they fit really well. They're kind of a good fit, so that's nice. It's hard to tell because like my feet always went in them. It was just like a couple hours later that they hurt. But I'm not feeling any tension here, which is nice. That's where I was feeling the tension before, is right on the toes. Even before I was wearing them for a while, just when I put them on, it just got worse throughout the day. And I'm not feeling that. So I think it might have worked. Awesome. I got my cute little booties back.
Alright guys, that's it. Turns out it was a success, which is awesome because now my little booties are going to fit better. So yeah, this is awesome and apparently is a hack that works across suede, regular leather, the works, and even on booties. So word of caution, just like don't blast it in one spot on high. That's asking for disaster, but yeah, just keep the hairdryer moving, keep it on low to medium heat, and it should work for you. So let me know what you think down in the comments. Let me know if you liked the video by hitting that thumbs up. Consider subscribing. I'd love to see you here again soon. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.